Okay, ndewono. Aha m Queenette, Ọgọckukwu, Ohaya. Okay, ụbọchị taa, today,
Yes.
we have what is called Igbo phrases, which is Igbo, Okwu Igbo. Okwu Igbo. So that's what we have to do. We did some last week, and we're going to review some part of it, and then we continue with the class. But before we start doing that, well, everybody, I need everybody to join to sing that song. And I want everybody to start at the same time to sing the song, okay? So once I finish singing the song, I want you to sing. So I'm going to rephrase your mind again. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, ikwu na ibe anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike, jisie n'ike, sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike, jisie n'ike, sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. Now it's your turn to sing. 1, 2, go, everybody. You don't sing this song today. We are not going to, we're gonna be here until you can get it. All right? Ndi Nena Nai song. I need you to sing it. 1, 2, go, everybody. You guys are making me to cry. Don't tell me that this song, you can't sing it. You want me to start crying? That you guys are not learning anything. This is not making me happy at all. Guys, we need to sing. I'm only hearing few people singing it. What's going on? Okay, now I posted that song. You go back to that song. Next week, we're starting with that song again. Please, you know what? This is one of the homework. Every one of you, you're going to sing this song and post it to me. You need to post. Sing your song. I need you to sing it with your voice alone. Sing it and post it. If you have your siblings, 2, 3, or you guys can sing together, but I would like to be hearing everyone's voice. You need to sing this song and send it to me. I give you till, in fact, till Monday, because you have other homework that I'm going to do. So can you please sing that song, record your voice, and send it to me. You have to do that. Send it.
Can you send that on to the group chat,
we
please?
need to learn to carry move on, return what I can't be teaching and you guys are not learning. No. So please, that's one of your part of the homework you're going to get. All right. Moving on. Yeah, somebody's talking.
Ahamdu Choma. Can you please send the song to the group chat, please? Again.
Okay, Choma. I'll do that, okay? No
Thank
problem.
you. Dalu.
I want you guys to take it serious. Please, please, please.
Mrs. Queenette.
Yeah.
This is our first lecture. So
who is speaking?
Oh, Ihoma.
There you go.
Yeah. This is our first lecture. Please,
okay.
When you post it on the group chat, can you post it singing? So that
everything.
I've forgotten the tune already.
No. It's the lyrics. The lyrics are there. The words are there. So what happened is this. Since this is your first lesson, at the end of the class, I will post the link, the YouTube link, where you will go and find the previous lessons. You won't even miss anything. Make sure you go over all the lessons, okay?
Thank you.
And then you will see this song as well, okay?
I already printed out all the information you sent me.
Oh, you did? Oh, wow, wonderful. You are really up on your toes. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I want everybody to be doing. That's good. Okay, so After the class, if you have questions, please text me or call me. You don't get me, text me. That's good. Thank you, Ihwamadalu. So for those of you who, maybe this is your first class, before you say something, before you ask questions, before you want to even do anything, introduce yourself. Either you say, Aham or Afambo, Ọgọckukwu. Just say your name. Or Ọgọckukwu Neku. This is example. Okay. All right. So right now, I'm gonna share the screen. We're gonna move on here now. Okay. If you have a question, keep it. The last 10 minutes of the 5 minutes of the class, I'll give everybody opportunity to ask questions. Anything you want to ask. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Good. All right. I'm going to share a page now. As I said last week, we did Igbo phrases. We did quiz. Okay, I'm going to mute everyone now. And please consider everyone in this class. We don't want any noise. Okay, you want to ask question, unmute yourself. Okay, when I give you a chance to ask question. All right. So Igbo phrases like Okwu Igbo, some of the Igbo daily words that we use in the house, out there, with our friends, anybody at all. So some of, common phrases we're gonna go over. We did some of them last week, but because we did quiz, so we didn't get enough time to finish everything. So now, one of the words here, and if you use these words, trust me, I know some people ask me, book or so, you don't need any book. If you're going to stick with what we're doing in this class, going over the words, using them every time, trust me, that's all you need. That's if I recommend the book, you're not going to have time. You won't have time to do it. You wouldn't even do it. So right now, if you can put all these words in practice every day, before, in fact, 1 week, you have 1 week gap to come back for another lesson. That's all you need. Okay? So it will make me happy that I'm teaching and you guys are learning. But it's going to make me sad if I'm teaching and nobody is even carrying forward. It doesn't make sense, my people, my friend. I want everybody to learn, please. Okay? So let's take it one after another. Hi, Miss Kedo. It's also, how are you? I can say, how are you? You say, Ademma. When I say, how are you? I'm looking at you direct. How are you, Ijoma? Oh, Ademma. How is your mom? How is your mom? How is your, maybe your brother, your friend? Ademma. Okay. When I use plural, how are your parents? Demma. Demma. How are you all? When I'm looking at you all, this is plural. It is plural. And I'm looking at a group of people. I'm looking at all of you. How are you all doing? Kedu ka unu mere? Anyị, because you are included. Anyị demma. Anyị demma. But when I ask about your parents, ha demma. When I ask about you, direct question. How are you? Ademma. Ademma. When I ask about any of your siblings, or maybe a friend, or singular, somebody, second person, third person. Oh, Ademma. Ademma. Uche demma. Ikenna demma. Okay? Ihuoma demma. You're telling me about another person. Now moving on. What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha maọbụ afa gị? Some dialects, speak your dialects, okay? Your parents, they have their dialects. But what I'm teaching is Central Igbo. So that doesn't mean when you hear your parents' dialect, you say, oh no, that's not the correct. No, it is. So follow what your parents speak at home. But the Central Igbo is what I'm teaching. I'm not teaching Imo part of Igbo language. I'm not teaching Anambra, but I'm teaching what Igbo, Central Igbo is all about. When you hear other dialects, some of the dialects I know, I will say them if I know them, so that when you hear them, you will know they mean the sentence. When somebody say aham, if your dialect is afam, don't think that aham is wrong. No, it is the sentence. All right. What is your name? Gịnị bụ afa gị? Or gịnị bụ aha gị? Or I can even say, kedu afa gị? Kedu aha gị? Don't, just because I didn't say gịnị bụ, and then you be thrown off. You say, oh no, that is not correct. No, it is correct. I can change it, use it either any way I want to use it, but just know there are several ways you can skin a rat, okay? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ afa gị? It is the sentence. Kedu afa gị? Maọbụ kedu aha gị? They mean the sentence. Nice to meet you. Oh, Nenna, nice to meet you. Or you say, oh, okay. Chisom, nice to meet you. My friend, nice to meet you. Okay, see that? So now, obi dem ụtọ. Obi, I am happy to see you. Nice to see you. Ọ dị mma ịfụ gị. Ọ dị mma etu. Now you can say, ọ dị mma etu anyị siri fụ. You can also say, I am so happy to see you. Obi dị m ụtọ ịmata onye bụ. Obi dị m ụtọ ịfụ gị. Obi dị m ụtọ. I am so happy. Obi dị m mma. Obi dị m ụtọ means I am happy. I am so happy. You can say dị mma, dị ụtọ, something that is good, okay? Obi dị m mma etu anyị siri fụ. I am so happy the way we met, okay? The way I see you, for us to come together. That's all that is. All right? Now you can say, how are you? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị dị? When I say kedu ka ị mere, maybe the only thing you know is kedu ka ị mere. Then when I say kedu ka ị dị, you think that is a different thing. No. That's why it's very good for you to know it. Know several ways people can say something and you know it still means the sentence. How are you means kedu ka ị mere. I can also say kedu ka ị dị. Then you can say adị m mma. If you're not feeling well, if you're not good, if you're not happy, adịghị m, that's the negative part of it. Adịghị m mma. Adịghị m mma. If you are happy, if you are feeling okay, adị m mma. Okay? Maybe I ask you about somebody. Kedu ka o mere? How is she? How is he? How is it? Ọ dịghị mma. If you want to tell me that. In fact, my friend is not feeling well. My mom is not feeling well. My mom is not okay. My mom is not happy. Ọ dịghị mma. Or is referring to he, she, it. Now, when I ask collectively, may plural, how are they? Kedu ka ha mere? Ha, for those of you who are not in the class when we did pronouns, you see the lesson, go over the lesson. Then you will understand what we're saying. If you can plug in all this, ha, mu, all this in. Now let me go over the sequence again. And you can say, okay, Ngozi,
Auntie, if you say I'm good, thanks, and it says Adin ma dalu, can you, instead of dalu, can you say mela?
Again, repeat your question again.
Instead of dalu, can you say mela?
Yes, of course. Yeah, because that is good. Instead of saying that, somebody can say, oh, dalu, you can say emaila. When somebody say thank you, dalu means thank you. You can say emaila, or you can also say thank you. Instead of saying dalu, you can say emailer. That is correct. That's good. I'm glad you asked that question. So for this is what Ngozi Madabuchuku said. He said instead of, sometimes we are used to saying dalu, dalu means thank you. Thank you. You can also say emailer. That is correct. Thank you, Ngozi. Dalu, Ngozi. I can also say emailer, Ngozi. Okay, now moving on again. When I say something like, I'm good, thank you. I am good is also like, I'm good. Thank you. Adị m mma, daalụ. Or emailer, like Ngozi said. Emailer, I am good, thank you. Adị m mma, daalụ. Or adị m mma, emailer. Okay. Another one is, how about you? You see that? How about you? Or you can also say, and you? You can say, okay, Auntie, how are you today? I would say, oh, I'm okay, Ngozi. And how about you? Remember, these are daily phrases we use. Okay, how about you means, gị nwakwanu. See here, it says, gị means you. Gị nwakwanu. You can also say, ma gị kwanu. Now, you can also say here, ma gị kwanu. See that? Ma gị kwanu. We need to put pom. Pom means period. Underneath the U, pom is a period. So we need to punctuate the U to make the sound that we are looking for. If we leave it that way, it is grammatically wrong in Igbo. So we need to punctuate it. So we're going to punctuate U by putting period, which is pom. Pom is period. Don't forget. So either you can say gị nwakwanu. You can also say ma gị kwanu, ma gị kwanu, and you. You see, so that's what we are talking about. How about you? Gị nwakwanu. Or you can say ma gị kwanu. All right. Now we have, what language do you speak? This is how you say it in Igbo. Kedu. Remember, kedu means what? What language? ASụSụ. ASụSụ is language. ASụSụ. What language do you speak? Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? Now you can say, Ngozi, kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? What language do you speak? Ngozi can say, ana m asụ oyibo. Or she can say, ana m asụ Igbo. Anam, it means I am, I do. Asụ, speak. ASụSụ, that which means the language. Oyibo is English. Igbo, okay? I speak Igbo language. I speak German. I speak French. Ana m asụ asụsụ French. I speak German. Ana m asụ asụsụ German. Okay? So this is how you put languages. Ana m asụ asụsụ Spanish. I speak Spanish. So this is how you put, but use those phrases. Use them, play with it, joke with it. Don't shy away. Even in this class, speak it, say it. If you don't get it, I correct you. And that's the purpose of learning. That's what we are doing here. We are not here because we know it all. No, nobody knows it all. Don't shy away. This is a room for everybody, for you to feel free to ask anything, to ask your question, okay? So don't shy away. Okay, now, when you say, what language do you know? It is not the same. The way you phrase it in Igbo, they are different. You ask somebody, what language do you speak? It is not the same thing as what language do you know? Just like when you try to ask me, do you understand? If you want to tell me, do you know Igbo? No, 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 no. What you're trying to say is, do you understand? There is a difference in between knowing something and understanding that thing. You can know something, you can know this language, but maybe you don't understand it. There are two different things. Okay, what language do you speak? What language do you know? They are not the same. Now, the first one we did, what language do you speak? Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? Now, what language do you know? Kedu asụsụ ị ma? ASÜ is different from ịma. What language do you know? Pay attention to the last words. Speak and the know. There are two different things. Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ means what language do you know? Kedu asụsụ ịma means what language. No, the first one. Let me back up again. Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ means what language do you speak? Now, kedu asụsụ ịma means what language do you know? I might even know 10 languages, but that doesn't mean I speak all of them. That's the difference. Okay. Feel free to ask me a question. Make your note as we do this class. Jot down something. Make your note so that you don't forget in case if you want to ask me a question. All right. Now we're going to do you understand Igbo or Latin? Pay attention. Do you understand Igbo or Latin? As we do this, we are building our vocabularies as well. Very soon, we're going to cut down. We're not going to be speaking 100% English in this class. So from next month, we're going to be limiting it to 65%. So try, please, your best to learn something, especially these phrases, pronouns, prepositions, okay? How to join something, how to plug words. Okay, so let me make it bold for you to see. Make it 20. All right. So now I can say, do you understand Igbo or Latin? Ena. Now remember what I said, knowing something, speaking something, and understanding something. There are three different things. They are not the same. Okay, when I ask you now, this is no longer what language do you speak? What language do you know? Now it is, do you understand Igbo or Latin? In a rota, understand means rota. Rota means understand, means something, understanding something. Do you understand Igbo or Latin? Or means ma obu. Ma obu. Now let's join them together. Ena. And pay attention to this contraction here. N with apostrophe. It is the same thing as NA. I know some of you are new, but when you go over the lesson, you will come across this. I can type NA and then remove the apostrophe. I can even remove A and leave the apostrophe. They are the same thing. A means you. E, Ijom, I'm looking at you and say, E. Ifom, I'm looking at you and I say, E means you. Ena, agota, ASÜSÜ. And if you recall, we say ASÜSÜ means what? Language. Igbo. Ma obu means all. Ma obu. Remember when I say understand Igbo or Latin? Now, in agota ASÜSÜ Igbo. Ma obu nke Latin. Nke Latin, to make it grammatically correct. Don't say in agota ASÜSÜ Igbo ma obu Latin. Now, nke Latin. In agota ASÜSÜ Igbo ma obu. Yeah, as beginners, you can say in agota ASÜSÜ Igbo ma obu Latin. But somebody who is taking this class, to show that you're taking Igbo class, you can say, put it in a correct way. In agota ASÜSÜ Igbo ma obu nke Latin. Okay? But I do not expect you now to be speaking it. All I want you to do now, just know the basics. That's what we are working towards, okay? So, okay. Now, I do not understand the French. I do not understand French. Anagim, look at it here. Ah, you're referring to yourself. Nagim, agota, ASÜSÜ, French. Now, if you do understand it, you say, I do understand French language, okay? I do understand French. Okay, anam, now it's no longer, let me type it. The first one is I do not. The second one is I do understand French. Okay, you can say I do understand French. French. Okay, I do understand French. Okay, ana m aghọta. Anam, and this is am referring to you. Anam aghọta. This one, this is what makes it negative. Nage, nage. Now when you say anam aghọta asụsụ French. Okay. Anam aghọta asụsụ French. Now you're telling me, yes, you do understand. You're not just hearing it. Because some people will ask you, ị na-anụ Igbo? When they ask that question, ị na-anụkwa Igbo? What they ask is, do you hear Igbo? But it doesn't mean that you understand. Yes, you can answer them. Yes, I do hear you. I do hear it, because anybody can hear it. But that doesn't mean you can understand it. The correct way to ask that question is, do you understand Igbo? So pay attention. Don't ask somebody, do you hear Igbo? No, no, that is not correct. Our parents might ask you that, but please bear with them, because they can speak Igbo, yes, but that doesn't mean they know all the grammatical errors and correct way of saying it. That doesn't mean they're wrong. They're not wrong, please. But because you're taking this class, you know the difference. Do you hear Igbo? Yes, I do hear Igbo, even though I don't understand it. I can answer you, but some people with what they meant is, do you understand Igbo? So ask the correct question. Do you understand Igbo? Mba means no. Mba. Ana m anụ Igbo. You can say, yes, I do hear Igbo, but I don't understand Igbo. That is the correct way to say it. You can say, yes, I do hear Igbo, okay, but I don't understand it. But if you do understand Igbo, yes, ana m aghọta asụsụ Igbo. Ana m aghọta asụsụ French. Aghọta, aghọ. You're going to make the sound with your palate, Ana m aghọ, and then the inner throat in your esophagus. Ana m aghọta asụsụ Latin. Ana m aghọta asụsụ Igbo. Okay. Anaghị m aghọta means I don't understand. Okay. All right. Okay. So we have 10 more minutes for this class. All right. Now speak Igbo language to me. Speak Igbo language to me. Sụọra m asụsụ Igbo. Sụọra. See how it goes. See, we have period underneath you. Oh, sụọra m. So one good thing about Igbo language is that pronunciation, you have to pronounce every letter. Every letter must come out. It has to be pronounced. You can't swallow it. You can't muffle it. It cannot silence any Igbo letter. That is good. So if you follow it this way, you get it. And then another way to get it, break it in syllables. If you can break it. Sụọ, sụọra m asụsụ Igbo. Speak Igbo language to me. Sụọra m asụsụ Igbo. All right, moving on. Do you speak English? Ị na-asụ oyibo? English means oyibo. Ị na-asụ oyibo. Now let's make it plural. Do they speak English? Ha ọ na-asụ? They, ha ọ na-asụ asụsụ oyibo? See that? Now, do you speak English? You can also say, instead of saying ị na-asụ oyibo, you can say ị ma asụ. Do you know how to speak? Do you know how to speak English? It is the sentence as, do you speak English? So you can either say ị na-asụ oyibo, or you can say ị ma asụ Beke. Beke means interchangeably. You can say Oyibo or Beke. Both of them means English. All right. Now this we do 2 more and then we have a room for questions and or anything or any comment. Now you can say, do they speak? Ha omasu, ha onasu. Now, do I speak? Amamasu, amamasu, or ema-asu? Norma, I see you're raising hand. 1 second, okay? Just 1 second, then I give you time to ask questions. All right. Ema-asu, amam-asu. I can ask you, Ijoma, ema-asu Igbo. You see, amam-asu Igbo. Mba amaghị m asụ. If you know it, you say, ama m asụ. Mba means no. Means yes. Okay. Now, you can also say here, a little bit. Wait a little bit. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Or a little bit. Just a little bit. Give me a little bit. Ntakịrị. Obere. Ntakịrị. Something just small. Ntakịrị. Give it to me. Just a little bit. Obere nyem, give, nyem, obere, nyem, nyeya means give it to her, give it to him, nyeha, give to them, give it to them, okay, nyeha, nye anyị, give it to us, nke anyị means our own, okay. Now one more. How old are you? Know this. How old are you? Afọ. Some people, some dialects will say, you see, aho. But the central one is afọ. Okay? Aho le ka ede. How old are you? It is okay to say afọ. Some people will say aro. They are all the same thing. Just know the keywords. Afọ ole ka ede. Aha ole ka ede. Arọ ole ka ede. They are the same thing. Okay? How old are you? Now, if you want to tell me, that's why it's very important to know your numbers. Adị m afọ 15. Adị m afọ 23. Afọ 15 means 15 years. Adị m afọ 10 means 10. Ise na ise, which is plus 5. 15. Adam afọ 15. I am 15 years old. Adam afọ 20, which means 2 10s. Na atọ plus 3. Adam afọ 13 means 23 means I am 23 years old. So know your numbers because I'm gonna send a homework, but it's gonna be small. But I'm going to incorporate all this. Know your numbers, know your pronouns, then the preposition. Na, N-A, so that you can join words. That's all you need if you know these keywords. So that's where we're going to stop today. Now we have 3 minutes for questions. Now, Norma, you raised your hand before. Go ahead and ask me a question.
So I have a question.
Okay, Norma, tell me your name. You gotta introduce yourself. Remember?
I'm Norma, and I have a question.
Okay. Norma, this is what you're gonna say. Ahambo, Norma. Can you say that?
Ahambo, Norma.
Yay! I love that. Go ahead.
I was wondering if that I don't understand French means again.
Okay, if you want to say I don't understand French or I don't understand English, anagem agota French. Can you say anagem?
Alamgi.
Again, anagem.
Agam.
Okay, let's take it slow. Anna. Gim. Anagem. Agota. Agota. French. Yay! Now I want you to say it together. Anagem. Agota. Go on. Okay. Let me repeat again, Norma. Anagim aghọta. Say it. French. Yeah, that's it. Anagim aghọta French. Say it.
French.
Okay, one more time. Anagim. Anagim. Aghọta oyibo.
French.
Now say anagim aghọta oyibo.
Aghọta French.
Okay, can you say oyibo?
Oyibo.
Good. That's it. Good job. Any other person with a question? The class will end in less than a minute. Any other person with a question? A question means ajụjụ.
Aha m bụ Ngozi Maduwabuchi.
Okay, Ngozi.
Can you please scroll down so